cold plunge, but just with your face. Weird. And use this, by the way. Looks like a pill. Another day, another salad. This is what I'm having for lunch. And back to work I go. Good morning, vlog. Just woke up. Gonna go to Pilates and then just chill for the rest of the day because I'm exhausted. But yeah, let's go. Also, let me show you how gorgeous the sun is today. Like, look at that. Look at the sun come in. Also, I'll probably clean my room because look how messy it is. I was doing taxes and dig up paperwork, so maybe I'll do that when I come back from the gym. Maybe. Because I can live in filth, apparently. But yeah. But look. How pretty. I could just lay here. No, I gotta get up and go and do some Pilates. My Pilates outfit all black as always. And then went through around sort of because it gets cold in there real quick. And we're gonna paint it now. Here's the second part. It's like those arches. And this is the sign. Welcome to Victoria and Charlie's baby shower. So cute. This is what we're painting. Also, I just got a haircut. Look how fresh it looks. And lady said my hair is thin, but whatever.
Did you take a picture of yourself?
Finished 2 miles of walking. It's Monday, another work week. Before I start working, I'm gonna ice my face. So, my goodness, my allergies have been so bad. Does that mean spring is coming? I sure hope so. Do this every morning, and it just feels so good. Especially right now with my allergies and my nose acting crazy. Last night the light started flickering. I got scared because I was downstairs by myself. And then the power kept going in and out. I was like, oh my gosh, why? It wasn't even that windy. I don't even know what happened. This has many benefits, I heard. Do I know them all? No, I just know it helped me with my acne and inflammation. And I do think my skin has looked a lot better since I've done this. But I have 2 minutes to do this before my meeting starts. So I'm trying to. Also, some of you guys asked how long I do this for. I just do it until it feels good and my face is like, feels like it's gonna burn off. I'm gonna finish this and then head to some work. Toodles. I want dessert tonight, so I'm gonna use the Ninja Creamy to make some ice cream. I'm using Fairlife chocolate milk, and then I'm gonna want some more protein, so I'm gonna add this into to film, but look at this texture. So good. Tastes like chocolate milk. I mean chocolate ice cream. Gelato. Chocolate gelato. So good. Do you guys know any other recipes for the ninja gravy? If so, please let me know. Comment below and tell me. Alright, good night. I'm gonna finish this and watch One Day on Netflix. Welcome back. I have a funny story. I need some advice. Is this fake? So I'm back on the dating grind because, you know, we want to find love this year. Anyways, I got this one message from this one guy. He's like, "Hi Tiff, do you have student loans or credit card debt? I can help you with that. Would you like $1,000 a month to be in a mutual beneficial relationship? This is legit. I have reasons for doing this. Interested?" At first I'm like, sounds very robotic, sounds fake, right? And then I just replied, "Yep, my rent is due in a couple of days." And he's like, "How short are you? Do you use Venmo? How short are you on rent?" And I'm like, "I'm sure $40. Yeah, it's blah blah blah. Give him my friend's Venmo just because my Venmo has like my full name in it. And you know what? He sends $25 as a test. But the weird thing is, he has no friends on Venmo. I don't know. You can usually see that. But yeah, so I got $25. And I'm wondering if I'm gonna get more. Just kidding. He got a little creepy. He wanted to meet up. Then I'm like, oh my gosh, what if this is like some sex trafficking like thing? I was like, I could do a quick FaceTime. He's like, no, I'd rather meet you in person. So that's how it's going so far. Anyways, if you guys are single, like what apps are you guys using? Or how are you guys meeting people? I mean, I probably should go out more so I can meet people, but the dating scene in Portland is kind of sad. So yeah. Anyways, gonna go meet up with my friend to work out, teach her some Pilates so we can get some more hours. And then I'm gonna go and do observation hours so I could get at least 10 this week. We are good. Alright, catch you later. Hi friends, I just finished taking a shower. I'm going to explain what I do for my nighttime skincare routine. So, getting ready to hop into the shower, and like when the water's getting warmed up and whatnot, I double cleanse with this. So I go in here, put it, and I hop into the shower, rinse that off, then I'll shower and then do my face last. Then I go in with this facial foam cleanser. Use this and this. So I'll put like a dime size I'm out on here, wash, call it good. And then once I'm done with the shower, rinse that off in the shower, pop out, and then, so that's what I already did. Now, I'll go in with my vitamin C. I love this stuff. I think I told you already, I used to have really bad pigmentation. If I could find a picture of what I used to look like before, I'll show it on the screen. But yeah, really bad pigmentation, and like now, it's like still there, but not as present. But I'll scrub this in my hand, and then just pat away. Most of the time, I'll just pat my skincare in my face. I feel it today, so I'll go in and medicate. Level 5. I'll do a level 5, but it feels good. Really, I like paint my face. I would say my pain tolerance is pretty high. I have never felt, if you guys done a Michael channeling where they numb your face, oh my gosh, that shenanigans, yeah, no, it hurts me so bad. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but if you want like an in-depth on my long days of skincare, comment below. I'll do a video on that. I mean, I definitely see a difference on my skin. Once that is done, I go in with Peach and Lily Glass Skin. I love this stuff. Every time I use it, I wake up the next morning, my skin is so soft. But I'll put that everywhere too. And I'll just pat that in. That's it. And then I go in with Vaseline for my lips, because, you know, hydration. That is it. See you next time, guys. Also, my sister got this laser hair removal, or it's not laser hair removal, but a hair removal device. I've been using it, trying to see if my armpit hairs can leave. I did it on my legs. Clearly I did it wrong because I got burn marks. I looked at it the other day and it's like 4 burn marks there. So armpits, it works great, and I'm gonna do this and we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna show you on camera because I'll get in trouble. All right, BRB.